Eating out doesn't have to mean giving up on your health goals. By learning some simple tips and tricks, you can enjoy meals out without feeling guilty. Whether it's a casual outing, a work event, or a family celebration, you can enjoy delicious meals while making choices that support your overall well-being. In today's video, we'll guide you through practical and effective strategies to help you stay healthy, satisfied, and stress-free while dining at restaurants. Before you go, take a few minutes to check the restaurant's menu online before you go. Planning ahead helps you identify healthier options and avoid impulsive choices. Look for dishes described as grilled, baked, steamed, or roasted. These cooking methods typically use less fat and are a better alternative to fried foods. Avoid arriving at the restaurant overly hungry. Have a light snack, like a handful of almonds or a small apple, to prevent overeating when you order. Drink plenty of water before you leave the house. Staying hydrated can help you feel fuller and curb unnecessary cravings for high-calorie drinks. Decide in advance what you're looking to enjoy at the restaurant, whether it's a balanced meal, a new dish to try, or just a smaller portion to fit your goals. Navigating the menu, consider ordering an appetizer as your main meal. Many appetizers are lighter than entrees and can be paired with a healthy side for balance. Pay attention to keywords like crispy, smothered, or cheesy, as these often signal dishes that are high in calories, fats, and sodium. Focus on dishes that highlight whole, fresh ingredients, like lean proteins, colorful vegetables, and whole grains, for a nutrient-packed meal. Don't hesitate to ask your server questions about how a dish is prepared. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate requests for healthier options. Be cautious with combo meals and all-you-can-eat specials. While they may seem like a good deal, they often encourage overeating and poor choices. Balancing your plate: build a balanced plate by filling half with vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains or healthy starches. Swap out calorie-dense sides, like French fries or creamy mashed potatoes, for a fresh side salad or a serving of steamed vegetables. If the portions are too large, don't be afraid to ask for a to-go box when your meal arrives. Save half for later and enjoy a second meal at home. Request sauces, dressings or gravies on the side. This gives you control over how much you add, helping to keep calories in check. Include fiber-rich foods, like leafy greens or legumes, to help you feel full and satisfied for longer without adding extra calories. Beverage choices: stick with simple beverages like water, unsweetened iced tea, or sparkling water with a slice of lemon instead of sugary sodas or juices. If you're having alcohol, choose lighter options like a glass of red wine or a light beer, and sip it slowly to enjoy it fully. Avoid sugary cocktails or creamy drinks that can pack hundreds of hidden calories and leave you feeling bloated or sluggish. Making smart substitutions: swap out white bread or rice for whole grain options like whole wheat bread, brown rice, or quinoa to boost fiber and nutrients. Ask if your dish can be prepared with less oil or butter to significantly reduce unnecessary calories without compromising flavor. Replace starchy sides like pasta with lighter options such as a side of grilled vegetables or a mixed greens salad. Choose proteins like grilled chicken, fish or tofu instead of fried or breaded meats, which are often higher in unhealthy fats. Portion control: restaurants often serve portions much larger than what you'd eat at home, so consider sharing a dish with a friend or family member. Slow down while eating to give your body time to register fullness. Chew each bite thoroughly, and enjoy the flavors of your meal. If you're craving a calorie-dense dish, order it as a shared plate for the table and pair it with healthier side dishes to maintain balance. Dessert decisions: satisfy your sweet tooth with a lighter dessert, such as fresh fruit, a small sorbet, or a few bites of dark chocolate. If you're already full after your meal, skip dessert and remind yourself that you can always enjoy a treat another time when you're truly craving it. Share desserts with your dining companions. Sharing allows you to indulge in something sweet without overloading on sugar and calories. Mindful eating practices focus on the experience of eating out, enjoy the company, the ambience, and the food, rather than rushing through the meal. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Stop eating when you're comfortably satisfied rather than stuffed to avoid overeating. Appreciate the quality and effort that went into your meal, focusing on enjoying the flavors and textures without worrying about perfection. Handling social pressure politely. Decline peer pressure to order or eat more than you're comfortable with. Confidently stick to your choices without guilt. Suggest sharing dishes or ordering family style, so everyone gets a taste of everything without overindulging in any one dish. For special occasions, if you're celebrating a special occasion, allow yourself to enjoy the meal guilt-free, but balance it out with healthier meals the next day. Focus on moderation rather than restriction, savor smaller portions of indulgent dishes rather than eliminating them altogether. Final tips: practice gratitude for the meal and the opportunity to share good food and memories with others, making the experience more meaningful. Remember that healthy eating is about balance. One indulgent meal won't derail your progress, so enjoy the moment and stay mindful overall.